Two health insurance giants, one major decision. Which one actually works for you? On one side, the nationally recognized UnitedHealthcare. On the other, the up-and-coming Bright Health. Let's ditch the marketing jargon and find out what really matters. Each category earns points, so by the end you'll know exactly who comes out on top, and the winner could surprise you. Alright, check this out. Here's our game plan. We're going to look at price and value, coverage and network, plan variety, digital experience, customer satisfaction, and then some fun stuff, extra perks. It's like our health insurance battle roadmap. Ready? Let's get right into it. First up, price and value. So UnitedHealthcare honestly offers a wide range of plans including employer and Medicare options, which sounds awesome. But their premiums? Usually on the higher side, so kind of a bummer for your wallet. Now, Bright Health jumps in with affordability at its core. Their premiums are typically lower, which is great if you're budget conscious. But there have been some reports of surprise fees and their payment options aren't super flexible. So Bright Health takes this one for being easier on your budget, but just keep an eye on those extra fees. Next, let's talk coverage and network. UnitedHealthcare is like the king here. Seriously, their network is massive. You get tons of doctors and hospitals to choose from all across the country. The only catch? They can be a little picky about out-of-network care. Now, Bright Health, well, they're not bad if you're in the right region. They partner up to keep their network simple, but their reach is nowhere near UHC's, and sometimes you might not find a specialist. So yeah, UnitedHealthcare totally owns this category. Now, plan variety. UnitedHealthcare brings pretty much everything to the table: Medicare, Medicaid, employer-sponsored plans, you name it. The only thing is, it can honestly be confusing to sort through everything. Bright Health keeps things streamlined with a focus on ACA Marketplace and Medicare Advantage plans. That's cool, but if you're looking for employer coverage or off-exchange plans, your options get slim. So yeah, UnitedHealthcare is the winner here for pure choice, even if it takes a while to figure it all out. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. UnitedHealthcare is actually the largest health insurer in America by membership. Yeah, seriously, it's massive. Alright, let's get digital. UnitedHealthcare's website and app, they work for sure, pretty reliable stuff. You can manage your account 24/7, but nothing fancy, and sometimes it just feels old. Bright Health, on the other hand, is super modern. Their app is actually made for this generation with easy virtual care options right there. Of course, every now and then, some users report bugs or downtime, but overall, Bright Health is definitely ahead when it comes to digital experience. So, customer satisfaction, always a huge deal, right? UnitedHealthcare has been around forever and they've got a pretty solid reputation with things like dedicated support lines. But you do hear a fair number of complaints about delays with prior authorizations, which is kind of frustrating. Bright Health gets a lot of love, especially from folks in their newer markets, and it's easy to get help. But then again, their service can really depend on where you live, and there have been some disputes with providers. So honestly, this one's a tie. Each has good points and rough patches. And finally, extra perks. UnitedHealthcare has some nice bonuses. Think wellness rewards, product discounts, even gym memberships. Just keep in mind, a lot of those perks are specific to certain plans or employers. Bright Health has a few things, mostly preventive care programs, but I'll be blunt, there's not a lot beyond the essentials. So UnitedHealthcare takes this round for sure. If you look at the big picture, UnitedHealthcare kind of dominates in coverage, plan options, and those extra perks. Bright Health, though, totally stands out if you care most about price or digital experience. So who should pick which? Here's how I'd put it. If you want broad, flexible coverage and a ton of plan choices, UnitedHealthcare is hard to beat. But if you're watching your wallet and you want a super modern, digital-centered experience, Bright Health is actually a pretty sweet option, especially if you live in one of their focus regions. If this broke it down for you, let us know what you want compared next. And hey, follow for more health plan breakdowns. See you in the next one.